Cell phone. 220 grit sandpaper. Double wrap. Tear it out. Leave that right there. I have a bit of a problem area on this hood, and I will show you what I'm working with here once I get it leveled down. Not balling up. That's because of the double wrap. You want a flat, hard surface. Super flat, hard surface. A cell phone has a glass fucking face. So take it out of your pocket. Instead of watching TikTok, do some fucking block sand. So I had a little problem area with this hood right here, where there was some unexplainable blisters. I didn't want to take all the layers of paint down, but I did. And I was left with some little small blisters, I guess you'd call them, little craters. So I cleaned them up really, really good. I dabbed some epoxy down into them, and I let that cure. Dabbed some polyester primer down in there, let that cure. And then I dusted some polyester primer over the top, and I'll show you this. Before I completely sanded away, you can probably see what I'm talking about there, and it's almost gone. And once this is leveled with 220, I will just let it sit for a day or two, honestly, because it'll finish shrinking up. It's already been what I don't know, 24-ish hours plus 24-ish hours is 48 hours. I don't know. It's already had a good time to dry. It's very cured. It's sanding very nice, as evidenced by there's no goobers on there. Now, if you're ever sanding polyester primer or polyester body filler, honestly, it's the same thing, and you're getting goobers, it's not dry enough yet. Let it cure. And if you're worried about it, let it cure. Cut it open, let it cure some more. Let it cure some more, and then final sand it. And then you're probably going to be okay. And all these bad spots are now gone. And I am very confident with the leveling out of the primer to the existing paintwork, because I use a perfectly flat surface. Glass. Glass is the best sanding block. All these guys arguing over plastic sanding blocks, acrylic ones, wooden ones, blah blah blah. Varying levels of bend. I mean, they're all very useful tools, but a piece of glass will get you flat. Take your fucking cell phone out of your pocket and sand a hood with it. Eh? Ah.